everyone, Brad here. Just wanted to take a minute and show you guys the install of the Kerf Ledge. We worked on a previous video to show the design and fabrication. I'll put a link to that up so you guys can watch that as well. But in that video I mentioned how these windows are untrimmed, and I've been trying to look at a way to trim those windows and include the Kerf Ledge as part of that trim. So I'm thinking about this install being right here at this edge, and this will help me kind of visualize what this will look like. Obviously we might not do the magnets up above, because then you'd be hanging stuff down over the windows. But I do want to look at this whole entire bottom rail potentially being the Kerf Ledge. So let's take a look.